Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be creating this cover. So start a new part file. The unit is in inch. Select the right plane, sketch, number 2, and let's draw a circle. Let me try that again, draw a circle. The dimension is going to be 7 diameter. We have a fully defined sketch. Come to feature, extrude in the opposite direction, and the distance is going to be 2.5. And click OK. Let's add a fillet to this side of the part, and the dimension for our fillet is going to be 1. And click OK. Next, let's add a shell feature. Select the shell, and let's change our shell to 0.25. And face to remove, we'll select this face. Select this face and have 0.25 in there and click OK. So you should get something like this. Next, we are going to select this face and sketch, number 2. Going to move my feature over here. And let's use the center point straight slot. So click somewhere over here and just drag it down, something like that, and drag it out again. Select this line and make sure it is a vertical line. And now we can select another line just coming out like that on a horizontal line. Click that point and the end point of that line and make sure they are coincident with each other, and make this line a construction line. So once we have something like that, we can add our dimension. From this center point to this point is going to be 1.8. The distance for this line is going to be 4. Move that there so you can see it is 4. And from this line to that line is going to be 0.35. We have a fully defined sketch. Come to feature, extrude cut, and we are going to select up to next and click OK. Let's select the drop down for the sketch and let's show the sketch for now. We are going to create a linear pattern of this cut. Select linear pattern. The direction, under the direction we want to select this line, and the number of pattern we want is 7. So under here 7, but the dimension, the distance, make this 0.6, and the number is 7. And under the feature we want to create the pattern for, we'll select our cut. So make sure you're going in that direction. Make sure you have all the settings. Remember the distance is 6, 7, and select your cut and click OK. Now we can hide this sketch because we don't need it anymore. Then flip this back like this and select this back face and select sketch, number 2. Let's draw a circle. Make sure it's not coincident to anything, just draw a circle somewhere over there. And let's add a dimension. We add a dimension to it, is going to be 2.5. And we are going to extrude it. Come to feature, extrude in the other direction. And the distance is going to be 0.75. You have something like this. And click OK. Next, we'll select this face, sketch. And let's select number 2. Add another circle in here. Let's add a dimension. It is going to be 1.5. And select feature, extrude cut. And it's going to be up to next. And click OK. Next, select this face, this back face, and sketch. Number 2. Let's draw a circle. Something like that. The dimension is going to be 8.5. Make that circle a construction circle. on the top quadrant, draw another circle, something like that. The dimension for that circle is 0.75 diameter. Or you can click that point in your origin point and add a vertical relation. It was the same thing. Then we want to draw another circle. And we have the circle, so let's trim it first. Let's trim it over here. Let's add a dimension to it. It's going to be 0.75 radius. And let's add a line coming down. So a line, something like that. Something like that. Make sure your line is a vertical line. Select your line in the circle. Add a tangent relation. Again, the same thing over here, add a tangent relation. And we are going to trim the excess out. Make sure this is coming down into your part. Select this upper edge. In case if your part is jagged like this, a way you can fix that is come to your settings, document properties, image quality, and increase this. And if you click OK, that should be straight. And now we can select that edge, convert entity. Then we are going to trim the excess out. We have a fully defined sketch. We are going to come to feature, extrude. I still have extra lines somewhere, so let me check it. Something is quite not right. Okay, right there. So I need to trim that part out. So make sure you have your part cleaned pretty good. So I need to trim that part out. I'm going back to my sketch, trim. I'm going to trim that off. And I'll trim this off. So now when I go to feature, extrude, good, it should pick it up. I'll flip the direction and the distance is 0.5 and click OK. So we have that tab. Now all we need to do is create a pattern for it. Come down, select circular pattern. In here, select that first box and select this edge. The number we want is 3 equal spacing, and on that feature, we would select the boss extrude. You should get that and click OK. We are done with this part. Make sure you save it. In the next tutorial, we are going to create the shaft. Then we are going to start putting everything together in an assembly. Thank you, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.